Hi, I'm Philipp Rath. I'm Consumer Marketing Manager for New Kuga in Europe, and I'm going to show you the new Kuga FF, a full hybrid version of our popular Kuga SUV. The key to Kuga Hybrid's versatility is its highly sophisticated powertrain. Under the bonnet, there is a 2.5-liter petrol engine, an electric motor, a 1.1 kilowatt-hour battery, automatic power split transmission, all controlled by highly sophisticated software. With 190 PS, 0 to 100 in 9.1 seconds, but offers greater efficiency than a regular petrol engine, with fuel consumption from 5.1 liters per 100 kilometers and emissions from 118 grams per kilometer CO2. The Kuga FF has been designed specifically for customers that want an electrified powertrain to help reduce their fuel consumption and emissions, but still want a no-compromise SUV that is spacious, comfortable and can be driven just like a regular petrol or diesel car. Kuga Hybrid is available with front-wheel drive or Ford's intelligent all-wheel drive. The system disconnects drive to the rear wheels when not needed to reduce impact on fuel consumption. Sensors detect wheel slip and automatically divert power to the wheels with the most grip, and the system is capable of sending 100% to the rear wheels if required. The ideal choice for customers that want a petrol all-wheel drive with an automatic gearbox. Kuga Hybrid is a great alternative to diesel and offers 30% more range than Kuga plug-in hybrid, up to 1,000 kilometers on a tank of fuel. It recharges its battery automatically with no need to plug in and charge, harvesting energy by regenerative braking, and can use the petrol engine as a generator, automatically switching between electric, petrol, or a combination of both depending on the conditions. That means pure electric driving for shorter journeys. The electric motor can automatically assist the petrol engine for greater efficiency, as well as provide additional torque for swift acceleration in high-load situations. The system switches seamlessly between power sources to provide a smooth and refined driving experience. It also retains the fun-to-drive element thanks to latest generation Ford power split transmission, which offers simulated gear shifts to reduce engine revs when accelerating and eliminates the rubber band effect you get with conventional CVT transmissions. The extra components required by the hybrid. I hope you found this interesting. This is Kuga Hybrid, making Kuga the most electrified.
New, self-charging, full hybrid Kuga Hybrid SUV seamlessly switches automatically between petrol-electric and pure electric power to deliver effortless driving and 1,000 km range. Sophisticated 190 PS full hybrid powertrain delivers ultimate convenience with cable-free charging. Simulated gear shifts and optional intelligent all-wheel drive enhance fun to drive. Kuga Hybrid, produced in Valencia, Spain, joins plug-in hybrid and EcoBlue hybrid to make Kuga the most electrified Ford ever, 3 of 17 electrified Fords coming by the end of 2021.